Good afternoon. This is Mark Mentink with the grain market update for the week ending October 25th. Corn is lower as weekly export sales were quite poor and seeing some harvest in parts of the U.S. Corn started out the week with the December futures around $3.91, but has been unable to hold and looks to finish in the mid 380s. The week started out with harvest delays, but so far has not seen as much of an issue as it was first thought, as harvest looks to be picking up again and continuing to next week. As harvest progresses, there has been no indication that would say that the USDA yield of 168.5 in September is wrong. Local ethanol and feed markets have helped to stabilize the corn market across the upper Midwest, as export reports have not been friendly for corn. Soybean harvest in the upper Midwest is progressing slowly, as we see some harvest activity to start again. Weekly export sales were strong, which was helping to maintain the November futures, but phase one of the China deal has not come through, and the board has tailed off at the end of the week, down more than a dime. China is still having issues with African swine fever and has no problems with continuing to buy beans out of Brazil. Wheat finished the week down about 15 cents without any fresh news. We're seeing some wheat getting planted in now that we may have a window to get some in if the weather holds. Otherwise, there's just isn't any other thing new in the wheat markets as far as news in the demand, and we still have a huge supply of wheat in the U.S. and the rest of the world. As always, make sure to watch the markets for any selling opportunities that come up and have offers in place. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.